Hi, joining with me today is Matthias. My name is Mr. Rob. We're going to talk to you about the VEX Workcell CTE project that we have been working on together to then integrate into IGCSE computer science. I will hand over to Matthias now.
So I was first introduced to this project by Mr. Rob, and the aim of this project was to teach students how automation worked in the real world. So this was done by using robot arms, conveyors, and pneumatics, which is what you'd see in a real world and in a factory. So I think that this project will aid students to learn how their code can work in the real world and how their code can make things move, such as robot arms, conveyors, and pneumatics. As when they do computer science, they don't usually learn how the code can work with actual hardware. Some DT and computer science skills I've used in this project were coding and CAD modeling. I used programming for the robot arm to work with the conveyor and the pneumatics. This allowed the robot arm to move the conveyor and to move the pneumatics. I used CAD modeling to create containers which were then 3D printed to place the disks into. Some other topics I've learned in computer science are databases and SQL, cybersecurity, and machine learning and AI, which have greatly helped me with VEX CTE.